Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing your footage and immediately confirm the clip's frame rate versus your project rate. Mismatches cause judder. Once imported, scrub to find the exact segment you want slowed. Make precise in slash-out trims or split the clip to isolate that moment, then open speed and duration to check current speed. Do this now so you control timing. It avoids redoing edits later. Keep the original clip backed up on the timeline while you experiment with the next steps. You should set the clip speed to the target percent first. Try 50% for half speed because interpolation depends on the new timing. Then enable optical flow or frame interpolation in Filmora. This generates intermediate frames and smooths motion, which is essential for slow motion from standard frame rates. Once enabled, refine with speed ramps. Add keyframes at clip start and end to ease in and out, making movement look natural. Also preview at full resolution. That reveals artifacts you finalize by exporting at a higher frame rate or bitrate to keep the smooth result. Low export quality reintroduces stutter. If you see ghosting or weird artifacts, toggle motion compensation settings or re-render the optical flow. Sometimes a second pass fixes odd frames. Make sure to check playback in your target player, because some players drop frames. If judder persists despite fixes, the only reliable solution is reshooting at 60 FPS or higher, since software interpolation cannot fully replace native high frame rate footage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.